All right, they tell me that A, comma B, comma C, and then they've made up this funky symbol, means nothing in math, D, E, F, comma, equals AB, that's times, plus BE, plus CF. And they want me to find 1, negative 2, 3, funky symbol, 1, negative 1/2, 1/3. So A is 1, B is negative 2, C is 3, and so on. So A times B, A times D, I wrote that wrong. A times D will be 1 times 1 plus B times E, that's negative 2 times E, which is a negative 1/2, plus C times F, and that's going to be a 3 times an F, and F is 1/3. So that's going to be 1. Is that negative 1/2? I can't read my writing. Yes. Negative 2 times negative 1/2 is positive 1. And then 3 times 1/3 is also 1. So your answer is 3.